Like you try? Hello, dear teacher. My name is Wilson Fabian. I am from Colombia. My last name is Rivera Quiñones. I am 42 years old. I live in Ibagué, Tolima. I am a assistant engineer and I work at UNAD. I am studying English, I speak Spanish, and I am single. We are just going for vacation. I would like to go to the beaches of Santa Marta because they are beautiful. When are you going for vacation? In December. How long are you going to be on vacation? About 8 days. We are just going to stay. We are going to stay with my family in a hotel in the center of the city. We are you going to do? I am going to swim in the sea, eat different types of food, such as fish, ceviche, and seafood. Also, I am going to play on the beach and enjoy the sun. What are you going to wear? I am to wear clothes such as beige suit, sun cream, glasses, tail, and flip-flops. How much money are you going to take? I have my saving more or less about 3 million pesos. Thank you. Bye.